going on, everybody? What's going on, everybody? Out here with Justin. And Jack. And he just found tomback, he said. Yeah, they normally do.
It wasn't deep either.
All right, nice.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Yeah, it's a nice little button. Yeah. Nice. All right, so we're out here in LiDAR square hunting, and it's either going to be something or it's not. We got one find so far. I know there's a brick pile down the road, or down the way a little bit on this island. We're out here by boat today. Getting some digging on. Freaking 50 cow.
See if there's a date on it.
50 cow, Michelle.
I can't see.
Yeah, we'll come back and see if there's a date on it. He's got 2 buttons already. I ain't found nothing. Ran some gators back in the water over there. You get on anything yet? No.
Travel up that way yet? 4.
No, I'll probably head back that way.
It just says 4.
This is 4, probably 4. Now I need to get busy from filming. Because now Justin got one. Nice. Got a nice little snake action. They're coming out. Oh yeah, he's coming out and getting warm. What's up, nobody? He's just hanging out, waiting for his food. Eat all the copperheads for us, dude. Got some big old oaks back here. Found some iron. They've got a couple more buttons. I got a jack. I don't know how old and how long jacks were around. So if anybody knows, comment below and let me know. It doesn't have the mold marks on it like all the ones that you find in the like schoolyards and stuff. Looks pretty old. I hit it, the shovel right there. So it might be, not sure what it's made out of. Kind of ring up crappy. We'll clean it up and see. They've all got a couple buttons, thimble, got an old thimble. Yeah, we're gonna keep rolling. The square that I saw in LiDAR had a couple buttons around it, but not too much. Might have just been product of a tree farm. I'm not really sure. Got some new Motley gear out with us today. It's going really good in my testing. No, we found a snake. How many buttons you got now? How many buttons you got now? 3. He's got 3 buttons. But we're gonna keep moving back towards the brick piles that I know where there's stuff at. We were scouting at this site today. So all right, we'll come back. Yeah, coin. Don't tell me it's a memorial. We're in 1700s. He just dug part of a. That's the right size. He just dug part of a spectacle.
See, you can see anything on. Damn wheat penny.
I think it might be an Indian. Could be silverware. I don't know if it's thick enough. There's a big clay pit right there where they're digging out clay to build brick. And land goes up past that oak tree. And the water's to our left. I think we'll keep going that way. Massive tree. All right, after a bunch of walking, stumbled onto a little area. We had a big oak that just showed you with Justin walking past, and he heard iron in the woods, so we kind of joined him this way a little bit. I just had a brick, I don't know where I put it. Just had a piece of brick, and we slowed down. And I got this nice spoon bowl at about that deep. I think it's brass. Yep, see the green. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's about that depth. Word. So we definitely have a site now, and this is a random one that we've just come across by looking. I was showing them we had some blackberries on the ground, and we had a bunch of woad plants. And this stuff they would take and they would ball up and bruise, put in a big vat with water, and they would put their clothes in it because, as you see, as I keep destroying this, it's real easier with two hands. It starts to turn blue and bruised. And this, they used to make indigo out of. So we have free food, which was the blackberries, the woad plants, which they used to make indigo, and we got relics. Look at that. Bit balls, colonial. Probably late 1600s to like 1720. This thing's doing great out here in the woods too, by the way. My hammer dig style, I can get into them real quick. Or it takes about 4 cuts instead of like 20 in a circle because the blade's so wide. It's nice, I like it. Still digging with it, but definite thumbs up so far. This hasn't slid once at all. This locking mechanism works great. And I like hammer dig style, and I hold up here, so it's doing great. All right, we're gonna keep going. That was a banger. 23. You. All right, as I put the camera away, I walk up on a blackberry. Wild, still growing out here. So you normally find a lot of free food stuff around a set of cabins. Let's keep going. Got a little spoon handle action. Oh yeah, nice. Is that one brass too? Maybe. Yeah, looks like it. Nice one. We're getting into some stuff. Not a whole lot yet, but there's stuff here. Okay, so you get a one-handed live dig from me. Only because brick just came out of the hole. It's the old stuff too. That there. Oh, there's more brick. Oh yeah, got a buckle. Silver gilded. Super silver gilded buckle. Looks like horse tack. And I got definite 1700s brick in the hole. Banger. I'll take that. So I don't do this often, but since this is a new piece of equipment, I will have to point out, look at that hole. It's a perfect square. And it is deep down there. 3 roots. But each side of it is like a perfect square. And Justin's walking across. He said he got an eagle button, general service. I think we got a coin here.
Might have a coin. Gotta clean it up a little bit.
Let's see what it comes back to.
So bad.
Yeah, they are.
Jeez.
We're on a small little brick pile here. There's a bigger one over there. There's brick all in there. Yeah, it's a brick pile. He just dug a coin, I think. You got your general service handy? Get it on film while I got the camera out. They're crushing me. I've been wandering around all just lollygagging, looking at stuff. I got a couple cool pieces of iron. Whoop. There's a back. It's probably another general service. Ooh.
Another back.
Oh, and another back. Look at you crushing it. Another button.
Funny.
Anything in the shield?
I can see.
Sick. Cool.
Thick man.
Yeah, dude. Some
Waiting for that diamond shape.
Get you some diamond shaped something with some Charleston on it. Look at this.
What you say, Jack? What you say?
It's like a barrel band. Or
Yep.
like a big ass barrel band.
Let me go through the Hobbit door, the relic door. Ah, spider web in the face. I've picked more ticks off of me than I ever have today.
Yeah.
What you got?
Could be done.
Holy! Look at that. Coil tech, coil, my Equinox. That's a deep hole. Can't say that ain't deep. What'd you get?
It's like a barrel band down there.
Oh, it's all the way down there
Yeah,
still?
like a wooden barrel.
Oh, wooden barrel. Okay. God. That's so far down there.
Yeah.
All right. Back through the relic Hobbit door. Massive tree. I'm just gonna walk through a massive tree real quick.
This one might be one of those weights.
Fishing weights that I just dug.
Yeah.
Yep. Nice skull weight. Cool. I found bridle bit, small little cuff ball button. They're killing me on buttons. Small little cuff ball button. Yeah, I saw some hose laying on the tree. Oh, there's another tick. Some hose. All right, there we go. Cuff ball button, the jack. What's that? Squeeze box reed, piece of lead, fishing weight, a whole bunch of iron. All right, we'll come back. About the video. All right, we think he's got a copper here. We'll do a little live action. Let's see what it is. Sounded good.
Shotgun shell.
Nice button, thick button. Yeah.
Gold gilt.
Gold gilt back.
Yep.
Yeah.
You.
You. All right, we're back on it. It's got a super silver gilt flats. You got a nice key. ENB1, tons of buttons. Little drawer pull PC. Nice.
You think it's good down there?
So I just found an anchor. Woo! We'll have to clean that up soon. What that comes out to do. He's sinking. I told you to grab a shovel. All right, we gotta get back on the boat. We're dying. Sun's starting to set, and you can't tell, but we're walking up this massive hill. And we got lucky. They just burned. I actually saw them burning this from work the other day, and I wanted to come out here. Look at that. That's a big entrenchment. You see that? There's a massive entrenchment right here.
One of the big oak trees sticking out of it. I thought that was going to be a torpedo.
Big old oak sitting on top of the entrenchment. Sun's starting to go down, so I don't know how much more footage we'll get. We'll do some like in-hand shots with the lights on them. And we're just coming through all this thick stuff, all that stuff, and then all of a sudden it's just wide open.
That's all brick.
Just wide open.
That big hill right there is all brick.
I don't know because I've never found them, but is that a native trade cone copper thing. To ask Steph. They find them up north. We don't find them as much here. Super, super old site. I mean, look at the size of that tree. That's cool. Not sure what this is. It's got a square hole through it, though. It's brass. Down here, where they've pushed some brick down, started some fires, stopped and looked. Fine piece of pipe stem. And there's a signal somewhere in here. I gotta find it again. Satapatan. Maybe. Is that what I ring up? Yeah, I ring up 21, some brass on something. Maybe a rivet.